Good morning all of you. Good morning beta. Open your math magic book, all the student of class 2, and as our Oshmi said that it's 107 page, that we will start from where we will start. Now student, as I told previous that this chapter is basically on experiment basis, means you have to do the experiments. This chapter is not that much calculative basis. So here you have to guess lots, and then after that you have to check it. Now see, on the page number 107 it has said that check your guess. Guess the length or height of the things shown below. Find length to check your answer. Now name of the things. Glass. Now at your home definitely there will be 1, 2 or 3 glasses. So in which glass you drink water every day. So you can guess this glass, that glass is how much fingers. Finger means in this way. So if I think that that this is the height of the glass. If I think this is the height of the glass, now then how you have to be, now you have to be by look at it, that it's how much finger, So I guess that it's 10 fingers wide. Okay. Now you have to check it. Then how you will check? Now this is your finger. So we all know that finger wide is 4. So it is see from this one finger. So it's 4 fingers. Now see it's 8 finger, but still it's not filled. So it's another 1 finger. So 9 finger means I guess that it's 10 finger, but the result actually it is 9 finger wide. Okay. In this way, bucket also. Now we all know that at everybody house, everybody having the different size and kind of buckets. So the bucket you have to be measured by using the hand span. Means you have to take the bucket, means the bucket you can take that you usually prefer for your bathing, for maybe some work purpose. So you have to take the bucket, and then after that you have to place the bucket like that on the ground or floor, and then after that use your hand span, that is 1 hand span or 2 hand span, 3 hand span. In this way you have to do. And also see that they are saying table, teacher table, your nose. Now your nose you have to be do like this. How many fingers? Water bottle, which water bottle you've used? So better I told. So on the next page, if you turn on the next page, you can see that they have given you the pictures of cat's food, rat or milk. So what's the cat's food? Is it rat or the milk? So use your fingers to find out the distance between the rat and the milk. Okay. So dash fingers. So better, as because you are not present in the school, so I couldn't check that whether you are doing correctly or not, that the measurement. So better I am just giving you some question answer from this chapter. Try to do it by yourself. Write down your own, do the measurement by yourself, and then after that answer it. Okay. Yes, Oshmi, 5 hand span. Which one is 5 hand span, Oshmi? The bucket? Is it the bucket? Yes, I also think so. So that as because all of you are not present, so I can take 1 bucket, and then after that I can say that everybody do the practical. But as because you are not in the school now, beta, so skip those things and do some question answer from this chapter. The longest step. The first question, Write down on your copy. 3 hand span. What? Shudeshna? What? Which things measurement is 3 hand span? My forehead. About my forehead about dash fingers white. Okay, book, very good. Now see, this is my forehead. Now you have to be check your one. So better you can, if at your home there is small mirror, you can bring it. Okay. Then after that, see, this is your eyebrows. So take your fingers, this finger, okay, not this finger. So first of all, place it like this, just on the top of the eyebrow. One finger, see, still the forehead is, you can see the so the 2, then 3. Now see, when it's 3, then on that time my whole 4. So when I place this finger, means the 4th one, so it touches my hair, means my forehead is 3 fingers, okay, 3 fingers wide. Now check your one by using your finger, okay, and then after that write down. Don't compare with your friend's answer, because everyone forehead is different in length, and also everybody's fingers is different. So everybody do it. Okay, which one is your? You just write down this one. Okay, then the 2 number is my face is about dash handspan long. Now this is your face. Now we all know this is our handspan, now like this. So this is the thumb, and this is the little finger. So like this. So this is your chin. So from here you have to be placed and like this. Now see, my one is 1 or little bit less than 1. So in this way you have to be measure it, and then after that you have to be check that whether it's 1 or 2. Means if it is little bit less than 1, then still you can write down 1, and if it is little bit more than 1, then you can write down 1. If like that, that you measure your hand span and this finger comes here, means still this much place is empty. Now that time you can take it as a 2 hand span. Okay, so do it. Then the 3rd number question, my arm. My arm is dash or equal as long as my leg. Means here, see, my arm means your hand. Your hand is not as long as your leg, means your arm is not that much long, that much your leg, or your arm is equal as long your leg, means the length of your hand and your leg is equal. So which one, not or equal, which one is your, you have to be write down. Okay. So now we will move for the fourth number. Your nose is dash fingers long. Means this is your nose, this is your nose. Now you have to be see. Now see, if the nose, if it is little finger like this, okay, one finger, two finger, three finger, four fingers, still you can say that, that like my one is my one is four finger. Your one is how much finger? Write down, measure it, and then after that write down. Okay, so today up to this much we will do, and I said that as because this chapter is like this types of question is having over here, so in this chapter is nothing to do. So on the next day we will start revision, because up to this much we had for our term 2 syllabus, isn't it? So from the next day onwards, I will do the revision. We will make the revision on magic and composite both. Okay, composite both. So practice and we will do. Okay, Arman, you had done it from how? 81 hand span. Okay. Now everybody send me today's class work. Okay, everybody give me today's class work. So it Oshmi. Okay. Oshmi has given, my forehead is about 4 fingers wide. Yeah, most of all your forehead will be 3, 4 and 5, not more than 5. My face is about 1 hand span. Okay, my arm is equal as long as my leg. Oshmi, is it really true that your leg and your leg and your hand both are same in size? Because usually we all having our leg length is longer than our hand length. Just check it once. Your nose is 4 fingers long. Okay, ready? So it's 4, 1, not 3 fingers. Okay, all right. Kaushik, 4, not 1, 3. Kaushik, your one is 4 finger. I don't think so. Your one should be 4, because your forehead is not that much small. It's my guess. Ankita, it's 4. My face is about 2 hand span. Ankita Nashkar, better can you turn on your front camera and just measure it. Let me show it. Let me show it. Sorry, not. You just show me that, measure it in front of the camera, then I can see that whether you are correct or not. My nose is finger. My nose is how much finger? How much finger? It's 2, 3, 4. How much finger? That you have to be write down. Okay.